Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming the how I do my eyeliner for hooded eyes. So I have very hooded eyes. My eyes just, if I relax them, you can't really tell because I've got makeup on, but my eyes are just bleh, so droopy. And when you have droopy hooded eyes and you do eyeliner, a lot of the time when you relax your eyes, the eyeliner just disappears, or it goes like, and it just, for me, I just don't like it. I hate it. I like my makeup to look like it did when I was doing it, if that makes sense. I have a little trick that I do every time I do eyeliner, and it's treated me well so far. I don't know how I learned it. I might have learned it from someone else's YouTube channel, or I might have done it myself. I genuinely cannot remember. I've been doing this since I was about 13, so, and I'm now 20, so that's about 7 years, and obviously my eyeliner has progressed since then. Yeah, this is the eyeliner. So you can't really see it that well with my eyelashes because they're bloody huge, but there's my eyeliner there, there's my eyeliner there. So if you would like to know how I got this, and I also add a little hack on the black on the outer edges of my eyes, if you'd like to know how I did that, then please keep watching. I have done my eyebrows and I've done majority of my eyeshadow. Eyeliner, I have the Super Cat Soap and Glory eyeliner. I've got two. I can never tell that one's the right one. Okay, so as you can tell, I have hooded eyes. If I relax my eyes, can you see, like, if I did an eyeliner here, like with my eyes like this, it would just droop as soon as I go like this. And that's always been my problem. I always avoided eyeliner until I learnt this hack. So let me tell you, I always do my eyeliner when I have no foundation on. That I do my eyes first, but no foundation on at all. That is because if I mess up, I can just wipe it off and nothing will be harmed in the making. First of all, I start by putting the tip of the eyeliner and in the middle of my eye, and then I drag it out down to the bottom, and then I drag it to the front as well. As you can see, my crease, if I relax my eyes, my crease ends there and the bottom of my eye starts here. So what I do is, from where the crease ends, I draw a line down. So if you relax my eyes, you can still see the line. See? Line down, straight down. And then I join the bottom of that line to my eye. It doesn't matter about what's going on under your eye, because again, you've got no foundation on or anything, so you can just wipe that off. And then from the top here, the line, top of the line I've drawn, going to draw a line to connect it to the other line that you originally drew. Then you've got like a little box, just colour that in. We have the beginning of our flick, our wing. This is totally preference where you put your wings. You can put it up here, you can put it down here, you can put it wherever you want, but I just like to kind of just go straight a bit. You can do it small, you can do it big, again, preference, but I like to go about here and connect that line there and connect that line there, and then again you've got another little box. And that is the the basis of the wing. So obviously that's quite a curved up wing. I like more of a straight wing. So you can go back in and adjust that. When I relax my eye, it's still there. So you can just leave it like that. That's a wing. It's perfect. It's not like a flick up wing because that's not how my face is. If I had it like that and I relaxed my face, it just wouldn't work, because that's not what my face is. But then I take a makeup wipe. You shouldn't use makeup wipes, I know, because they're bad for the environment, so I need to get something else, not a face wipe, but still I use a face wipe for now anyway, and I go underneath and I just clean it up. So this is where you can clean up any mistakes you made on the bottom line. It's the top line where you need to be actually kind of careful. The bottom line can be as messy as you like. It's really good because I've got nails on at the moment, so it makes a really sharp line. But if you just... And when it gets to the end, I get a bit closer to the line. And I kind of just drag it out, because then that makes a really thin line. As you can see, it flicks up, and you can still see it on hooded eyes. If I smile, you can still see it. If I frown, you can still see it. I'm now going to do this to my other eye, and I will get back to you. But both eyes are officially done. Both done. Now what I do with this eye look specifically is I'm going to add some black here. So this helps as well if you have messed up the top and you do not want to redo your eyeshadow really. But I just do it because it just suits my eye shape, which is probably the eye shape you have because you're watching this video. I'm just going in with a small brush. This is the Morphe M506. And I'm going in with my James Charles palette. I can't tip it over too much because I've like smashed this colour, which is brilliant. But I usually go in with probably about this colour, and then I'll deepen it to this colour, and then I'll go in with the black. I'll show you just a quick process because I know this isn't what you came for. You came for the eyeliner tutorial. But here I just tap on the edge. So this isn't going to show up too much, which you don't want. You just want to build it up. Tap it on, and then I blend it out. I don't go past here. I don't go here because it just makes my eyes look gross. I want my eyes to be this oval shape instead of... Okay, and then do the same on the other eye. I always do this after eyeliner, just so I know where my eyeliner is going to place and where the black is going to fit in with the eyeliner. Go in with that darker brown, pack it on, and blend it out. Pack it on. Don't worry about getting it on the eyeliner because you can just re-go over the eyeliner. And then with your tiny brush, I've got the accent brush from Real Techniques. This is about, I'm going to say 8 years old. But yeah. Then I'm going in with the black on the accent brush and just going right up to that eyeliner. That is what it is starting to look like. Obviously it's going to look different. Oh god, as you can see, that's the eyeliner. And then I will come back to you when I've got the rest of my makeup on. But my makeup is finally done. It's literally taking me ages. But this is what the eyeliner looks like. I've just got some eyelashes on. It's literally Christmas Eve and I'm doing nothing because we're not allowed to do anything. But if you can't wear eyelashes on Christmas Eve, really, when can you? It gives you a nice wing. It doesn't get hidden by the stupid hooded eyes. It's nice, you know? And I wasn't really feeling my eyeshadow before, but when you chuck on a pair of lashes, life just improves, you know? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas because this is going to be going up after Christmas. Yeah, I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and I will see you in the next video. Bye.